My name is John VanderHooven. We are sitting at Woodworkers Retreat here in Newbury Park, California. This is an 8,000 square foot industrial building that we've converted to essentially a wood shop and creative space for people that have either never picked up a tool in their life to semi-pros, serious hobbyists, and the like. Woodworking is a journey. Our goal is to bring people into the shop, whether you're a member or a non-member, whether you're attending a class or a private instruction. It's to collaborate with each other, to learn from each other, to help each other. When I decided to go down the road of creating a place, I knew it would involve a tremendous investment in machinery. But I want the companies to tell me why it should be them. And the one thing that I noticed about Grizzly was Grizzly seems to be this customer support business first, because that's who you get when you call. You're immediately put through to customer support that wants to know, is everything okay? What can we do for you? They're very good at what they do. They were straight up honest with me, and I was able to leave there and modify my budget, and I felt really good about that. There is this kid in a candy shop satisfaction of hearing these things roar to life, just hearing that stability and ruggedness of these machines. We were just smirking all day.
So tomorrow is the ribbon cutting ceremony for the Woodworkers Retreat. That must be a great feeling.
It's a dream that I've had my whole life, where you have taken on a passion and made it a livelihood. I have the greatest team of employees right now who share that passion with me. And I think tomorrow is gonna really validate our desire to share that passion with other people.
And what you're doing here is giving children and the adults who have a childlike heart the ability to take a vision and make it work. And what you're creating here between the two of you is a sense of community, and I thank you. On behalf of the residents of Thousand Oaks, myself as mayor, and my fellow council members, we'd like to present to you this certificate of recognition for the grand opening of your wonderful business. Big hand for them.
Ready, everybody? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I like to think that we've created a very welcoming environment. From the second that you walk through the front door, I would love the retreat to be an inspiration for younger kids and adults to just know that there's an escape that they can go to that doesn't require a cell phone. And it requires discipline, it requires respect. We help each other, we collaborate with each other here, and we cheer each other on. And that's what I want this to be known for, is a very positive environment, whether you've never handled a tool before to a pro.